guess before I do anything today, as you can see, I got this door here, and last week video you guys saw I actually put the door up. You know, had to make it fit and everything. This is the passenger side, so this week I'm going to try to fix all of this, as far as the opening and stuff. I guess first thing I need to do is get that other door and bring it up here, because I'm gonna have to cut all the welds here. I'm gonna have to probably take this down a few times. My beam I got up here, I know that, but I just before I put my piece up here, because I almost made a mistake over there on the driver's side, is that I actually had to move that pillar back a little bit, and I already had started putting my kick panels and stuff like that up. So before I do that this time, I think I'm going to go get my door, and I have to, unfortunately, I got to take everything out of it. We're going to go ahead and get this door, the other door, the passenger side door, and we're going to bring it up here, take out the guts, and, you know, that may be all I get done this evening is take out the guts, because this one I had to heat it up in certain places. As you see here, I mean, I messed up some welds because this stuff is just so corroded and stuff. But I just want to get the guts out of it so I can hang my door. So let's go ahead and get set up and let's do that. I'm my other door, I got my other parts truck. I've been going back and forth. My parts truck is down there, and I got some stuff underneath the shed there. So I just get that and bring it up here. So she's in pretty bad shape. Pretty bad shape. Alright. Man, see, somebody didn't know how to get this out, so they just bent the crap out of it. That sucks. But anyway, when I do my door panels, all that be covered up. I mean, they chopped this thing up, man. Golly. I don't know. I'm gonna see how bad that door is. I don't want to have to get a new door. But I'm heading down to Carlisle in October. They got a big swap meet down there. I'm gonna have to get a new, if I do use this door, I'm gonna have to get a new door bottom. I can make that piece, but it depends on how flimsy that door is. It's in pretty bad shape, but I've fixed worse. You know, this door skin is pretty much gone. And I get this PB blaster here, and while I'm waiting, I go ahead and spray everything. Alright guys, I'll cut you guys back on once I get into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys a little trick whenever you can't get a rusty bolt out. And I got my PPE on because it's going to have some fumes here. Got a cut. see if we can. I moved you guys to the other side. See if I can use clutch head screwdriver here. PB Blast has been sitting a little while. Got that one started. That's good. That's a good sign. Gotta be careful. That's hot, so I always forget sometimes to touch it. When it's hot, it'll burn you good, boy. Cap is in here. Somebody down trying to hide some bread up in here or something. Pretty nasty door here, man. I actually heated these bolts up a little bit so they'll come out easier. That's it, man. Oh, look, it was a nasty door here, boy. I hope I can save it. I'm gonna try to sandblast this door. Get some of that. Give me some WD-40 spray up in there. No telling how long this hinge has been in there. Hopefully they'll come out with no problem. I re-tap all those holes, make sure they're good and clean before I redo it. But this is got the door stripped though. That's what I wanted to do today. See if I can get the hinge out of there. Let there be light. see if we can make this work. Man, all the corrosion up in there. That's why she don't want to come out. We got out! We got her out. I have to clean all up in there. Somehow. How will we do it? I'll get my sandblaster. I'll clean all that crud off up in there. Before we start anything else. Alright guys, hey, just like that, that's going to be the end of this video. I just wanted to break down that door. That door took me about an hour to break it down, guys. I wasn't expecting for it to take me that long. But the other one took me about an hour. But normally when you do one side, you should be a lot faster on the other side. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully the next video will be putting the new hinges on and fitting the door, making sure the door fit good so we won't have to do no more tweaking. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.